Yo, what's up everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to be showing you how to do an OSL effect on a miniature, aka object source lighting. As you can see, here's our canvas, a Chaos Lord and Terminator armor. No further ado, let's jump in to show you what materials you're going to need to paint this guy up. You're going to need some weathered wood from Secret Weapon Miniatures, Flash Gets Yellow from Citadel, Troll Slayer Orange, Vallejo Black, a paintbrush, and an airbrush. Step 1, put on some of that weathered wood. Now the key here is to try to think where that lighting is coming from. So obviously our source for this model is going to be that little lava pit on the base. So I'm imagining that's going to be lighting up his inner thighs, as well as some of that rock. And that is where you're going to want to spray that weathered wood. As with every light color, it can notoriously speckle on you with an airbrush, so you might want to water it down a little bit. Maybe 2 parts water, 1 part paint, so you don't get that effect. After you got the area that you want to be object source lighted, come on in with that Flash Gets Yellow. Once again, yellow is also a light color and notoriously bad at speckling, so probably a 2-to-1 mixture of water to paint. After that, we're going to start marrying the 2 colors of Troll Slayer Orange and Flash Gets Yellow into the airbrush pot. We want to make that transition to the full Troll Slayer Orange subtle. Next step, going to be putting a little bit more of that Troll Slayer Orange into the pot. Now it's about 50-50 Troll Slayer Orange and Flash Gets Yellow. Going to want to go a little bit deeper into the thigh here. Now we're going to go 100% Troll Slayer Orange on the miniature. There we go. Nice bright orange coming in on that crotch. After this, here's the secret sauce here. We're going to use that Vallejo Black and water it down. It's going to be about 99% water, 1% paint. This is what we call a glaze, and you are going to want to take that paint, or take that glaze I should say, and airbrush it in around the glowing effect. This is going to create a contrast on your model. As you can see earlier, it's very watered down, so spray a little bit and then spray some air. Make sure that it dries, make sure that it doesn't totally splash on the model. Be real careful with this step, but it's worth it. It's worth it if you're careful with this step. After that, you're going to bring in that flash gets yellow once again and hit up some key areas that you feel would be more what's the word? More bright than others. Reflect that light more than other areas. So we're trying to hit the kneecaps, the ankle, just key specific areas that are going to be bright. After that, we're gonna bring out our handy dandy paintbrush and do some edge highlighting on the details. So kind of in a more microscopic fashion than we did with the flash gets yellow in the last step. This is just to pick out some key details, some edge highlighting. Hit those edges just with the side of your brush, just real quick. Pop, pop. And that is how you get it. So thank you all for watching. Please support the channel, hit subscribe if you want to. We do live tutorials on Twitch. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram to see some updates on miniatures I'm painting. As always, thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.